Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the language of your GoCardless account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open GoCardless on any of the browser you have by going to the Google search bar. So you can see this type of interface once you open GoCardless and log into your account. Now, to change your language, what you need to do is click on Settings, which you see clearly on the top right hand side. Then click on User Settings. Scroll a bit down and you will find Language Preferences. You can change your language here where possibly we'll use this value for your dashboard and emails we send you. So the language option is here and it is currently defaultly selected to English, United Kingdom. Now if you want to change the language, just click on the drop down menu and some of the languages offered by GoCardless are English, Dutch, French and Spanish. So you can select one of these, click Save Changes, and in a while you can see that your language has been changed. Now I'm going to show it to you once again. Click on this gear looking icon, click on this first thing. If your language has been changed, you can see that you cannot understand it. You can scroll a bit down and find this option over here. You can see the Spanish over here, and you can also read aloud this if you want. So if you don't want to do this, just go ahead and go to this option over here and click on English, and you can see this option. Go ahead and click on it. Wait for a while, the page will reload itself, and there you go. You have just changed the language on your GoCardless account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.